Hello guys, how excited you would be if you are exposed to technology at a very small age. Like example, if you are at a high school age and you are being asked to work on some of the space missions, or something related to rockets, something related to satellites. That would be the most exciting aspect, right? So that is what one of the companies in US are working on. Basically, they are planning to conduct a race. So you see kids playing around with race cars, right? So these race cars, instead of playing on the ground, the race cars would be running around on the moon. And these race cars would be designed by students in United States under the guidance of F1 guru Frank Stephenson. Who doesn't know him, the McLaren mastermind. So under his guidance, the cars would be designed, and then these cars would be carried by a lunar mission to the moon. And how we had this moon mission, there will be a lander, and there will be rover which takes this around and finds perfect place to have this cars being placed. Listening to itself is so exciting. You can imagine the kids participating in it, and there are several high school guys, students competing for this, and then trying to see how these cars move around, what is the speed that is associated. If you move the same car with a remote control here, how the car moves around on the moon, what is the speed of that car, what are the obstacles that are going to come around. So this basically the company says they are going to have a track as well, which seems difficult definitely, because stepping onto moon itself is a typical task. And this project is estimated to be around 73 crores for just a simple race, which is going to happen in October 2021. So there will be a competition among students from different high schools, where they'll be going through number of rounds of like questions, where they'll be asked about this specific things, their mission. After this rigorous selection, there will be two guys who will be competing on this. So very exciting for the kids to hear, who are more excited about these cartoon characters, who are more about who are more fantasized towards this race cars. It's a great news. And we if you follow this, and if you follow these footsteps, you can develop into a good scientist. I think the countries like United States are giving their kids such kind of exposure. And the thing is, if you are working under guys who are experienced, who are the masterminds of one of the best machines in the world. So it gives you more exposure, and at that younger age, if you inculcate that nature, I think that's what is required for the next generation. And especially the kids get to know the differences between the surfaces on the moon and the earth, the controls that they have to do to move the machine around, and how the telemetry operations happen from here to moon. So if you are having a remote control here, they need to understand how the signal passes, and then how the signal would be provided to the car on the moon. So very exciting, a entire cycle which the student goes through, and lot of learning, lot of excitement. Hope to see such activities going on, which excites people, which excites techies, which excites the students, and helps them learn a lot. Let us talk about this, as there is a lot of progress, and what we hear from the guys who are arranging this. Thank you.